Welcome to Specigen AI, the intelligent specimen tracking and management platform that transforms how clinical trial sponsors handle sample data. In this demo, I'll show you how Specigen takes what usually requires days of manual effort and completes it in just minutes, automatically and reliably. We'll start with study configuration. Here, all the study metadata is captured: visit schedules, specimen types, vendor details, and mapping rules. Everything is pre-configured and ready to go, so we can focus on the data itself rather than the setup. Next, let's move to the upload screen. I'll upload several files from one of our vendors. Notice how Specigen automatically ingests, matches, and maps this data back to our study configuration. No manual entry, no spreadsheets, and far fewer opportunities for error. Now that our data is uploaded, let's look at it in the specimen tracker. Here you can see the raw specimen data organized by subject. Think of this as the foundation, a clean, structured view of what's been received before reconciliation begins. Let's zoom in on one subject to see the reconciliation process in action. I'll select a subject and click Reconcile. Specigen analyzes the data, flags discrepancies, and aligns everything to the projected schedule. In just seconds, we now have validated data for this subject, reconciled, organized, and ready for downstream use. Now that we've seen a single subject, let's scale up to the entire study. With one click, Specigen processes every subject, every visit, and every specimen at once. This is where the platform's power really comes through, handling hundreds of specimens simultaneously and ensuring every data point is validated. And we're back after a couple of minutes. The full study has been reconciled. Every subject, every visit, and every specimen is now validated, discrepancies flagged, and relationships correctly mapped, automatically. Now let's switch gears and explore Ask Specigen, our intelligent query feature. This is where you can ask questions in plain English and get immediate contextual answers. For example, let's start with a study level review. Show me all scheduled visits that are complete. Specigen instantly returns the relevant data, already organized for review. Now let's zoom in into the subject level. Show me all data for subject BB220019. The platform brings back the complete record for that subject: visits, specimens, and status, all in one place. What we've just seen is the future of specimen operations. Tasks that once took multiple team members to complete, reconciliation, validation, and reporting, are now handled in minutes by Specigen AI. Specigen is flexible enough to adapt to your unique study setup, integrates with your existing vendors, and is designed to minimize error while maximizing efficiency. Most importantly, it frees your teams to focus on the science, not the spreadsheets. Thank you for joining us in this demo of Specigen AI.